Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Monday, March 7th. It is the 66th day of the year. There are 299 days left. Happy National Sock Monkey Day.
Sock Monkey Day is March 7th. A monkey fashioned out of socks is known as a sock monkey. In the United States and Canada, these stuffed toys are a blend of folk art and silliness. Brown and white sock monkeys have exceptionally long limbs, long tails, and vibrant red lips. Additional decoration on the animal's head and around its neck is possible. This figure has been ingrained in popular culture, appearing in comic books and art pieces. The demand for replica stuffed animals spread through Europe to North America during the developing arts and crafts movement. Crafters started sewing stuffed animals for children, and sock monkeys became the regular feature in many American nurseries. The original sock monkey is thought to have been created from Rockford red heel socks during the Depression of the 1930s. Today is also National Flapjack Day, Plant Power Day, National Be Heard Day, and National Cereal Day.
Today's shout-out's kind of fun because I get to correct a mistake that I made, and I always love to get to do that. So I had told you that I had shouted out the entire 4th grade program at Briarwood Elementary in Renton, Washington, and I missed the class. So guess what? Today's shout out goes out to Mrs. Comely, I hope I said that right, and her 4th grade class at Briarwood Elementary in Renton, Washington. Now I have done the entire 4th grade class at Briarwood. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. I hope you loved your shout out. Our second shout out today goes out to Mrs. H, Mrs. D, Ms. K, Mr. P, and everyone in the Excel program ages 18 to 22 in Hopkinton, Massachusetts. So check this cool fact out. Every year, the Boston Marathon starts in Hopkinton, Massachusetts, and everyone in the Excel program gets to go and check out the starting line after they paint it. How cool is that? So thank you so much for your patience, everyone in Renton. Thank you, 4th graders. And thank you, everyone in the Excel program in Hopkinton, Massachusetts. I hope you all loved your shout outs. Thanks for your support. Teachers, would you like to get your class a shout out? Just complete the Google form. The link can be found below in the description.
So here's a video of me making a sock monkey for you. If you would like the directions, I've linked them below in the description underneath my video. This took me quite a while, so I'm just gonna give you the benefit of getting to watch the process instead of trying to explain it, because we don't have time for a half-an-hour show.
Okay, National Dayers, so That was really a challenging project, and I'm so proud of myself that I persevered and pushed through and made this cute little guy, because I gotta be honest with you, I did buy a sock monkey. It came in a lot smaller than I thought it was going to, but so I bought this one so you guys could see what the actual like Rockland red sock monkeys used to look like. I don't think they had this because obviously socks don't have that, but so cute and adorable. But I mean, come on, we rock. We made this. And even though, you know, its eyes are a little lopsided and its ears are a little lopsided, there's a lot of lopsided stuff going on here. His head is a little lopsided. You got it. But you know what? I'm so proud of myself. This cute little monkey is awesome because we made it. So don't give up on something just because it's hard. Persevere, push through, and have a marvelous Monday. I'll see you tomorrow.